What up guys, welcome to the new video, and today we are blogging on Flora and Fauna Insight, and this nursery is known as Green Valley Plant Nursery. And today here I'm pleased to record a back societal working on my team here to show you Green Valley Plant Nursery's Apple Ber. Alright, have a look guys. Insane, right? Beautiful. So today we have three varieties in all. One is ball apple bar, Kashmiri apple bar, and Miss India apple bar. And I'm gonna show it one by one. I mean, you know what is apple bar, right? Boroii, we call it Boroii. These apple bars are not like the usual ones. Let me show you more. Beautiful, right? So now we'll move on. This is the ball apple bar, which is a round. Of course it's round because it's called ball. And compared to the Kashmiri, you can see the difference, right? So the tastes are almost identical. I can almost tell no difference. It is very sweet, super sweet I can say. But I feel like the Kashmiri is a bit crunchier, and the ball apple bars are softer. That's it. That's the only difference. Otherwise, both are super sweet. Even though I feel like ball is more sweeter. That's it. And here we have the Miss India apple bar. Miss India apple bars are not big. They are small in size. But the colors, it's insane, man. Just look at the color. As you can see, this is a Kashmiri apple bar. Very beautiful, right? Let me eat it for you. Focusing, right? It's a bit harder than the ball apple bar. Tastes almost identical, but crunchier, I can say. Yeah. I mean, I can just eat as much as I want. And these trees are not even that much big, look guys. It's just not even a meter high. Ow! Yeah, just like you can. Yeah, I cannot even stand here. The nets are not fixed properly. But eating here, it's great. Feels ultimate. Fresh from farm. So if you're interested in apple burs or any other type of plants, fruit plants, ornamental plants, you can always contact Green Valley Plant Nursery or the Flora and Fauna Insights channel. The numbers are given in the description box and also in the video. We have many plants except from apple burs, fruit plants, ornamental plants. As you can see, we have guavas here. We also have apple research. Now we are doing research currently on apple. You can see our apple video on YouTube. It's also given. And here we have mangoes too. As you can see, these are Amrapali mangoes. You can also watch video regarding Amrapali mangoes on our channel. It's always there. We are always there for you. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe to our channel, share this video and like our video. Thank you for watching so far. Bye bye.